Onyame oku nipa. Metimi achire onipa bebre Yehowa ne ku wom. Yeah. Jenny ni jambra Yehowa ne ku wom. Abiram, the people that rose against Moses in the day, the Bible said, and when Moses realized that the people, the camp have rebelled against God, he stood and said, who is on the Lord's side? And then he stepped aside, and everybody came to Moses who was on the Lord's side. All the rebels stood at the other side, and when God saw the demarcation line, he split the earth into two, and then a strong wind pulled all the rebellious people, over 32,000 people, that they went into the pit of the belly of the earth, and the Lord closed it. Missing Nyame dangerous. Nyame dangerous chantu enyama. Nyame oye dangerous chen chinamai apepe. Nyame dangerous chen kobri. Nyame oye dangerous echen tafu bruku. God is more dangerous than any medium you know, including witchcraft. God is more dangerous than that. Ahayedi menim dientia. Yeah. Put the scripture back. 2 Corinthians chapter number 5 verse 11. Knowing the terror of God, we persuade all men. And so when I come to stand on this altar, I have to begin to tell Alabasta, I should be persuading you. Ye nim nyame hunti fakochi mu mame nkasem ye nim nyame hunti ye kasa kire nipa na ye kasa kire mu munka munyaye munsa kire matwene ye kasa kire mo ye nyame hu enti ye begina e so ye kasa kire mo se munhunu ne sa se manhunu se nyame hu na yehu ansa so mu woni wo maame ofie sa bofra ukasa chire wa wonte one day woda ho imache na ma metosha woso ubebisa se mami wo me mami ana wona wo mi ana me ne bampa na ubebisa sa ye nim nyame huhunti dimba bi chira na me ne Ghana e kasa. I should be able to look at the top troubles of Ghana and talk to Ghana. Unfe ye ne nyame hu. Husbands and wife, I should be able to tell you, honor God. The way you see me, and as a man of God, you give me that reverence and honor your own husband like that.